In this video, I'll be going over my September Etsy income report. So I don't really do a lot with Etsy right now. I have about 5 active listings. I did notice 2 of them I think expired the other day, so I did reactivate them. But they are all digital paper downloads. So I haven't added any new ones recently. I just simply don't really have time. I also have never run any ads for Etsy. I just, again, am really new to Etsy and it's just not my priority at this time. But I do really want to start creating more and getting my account up and running more. So for September 1st through 30th, 2023, I got 44 visits, 1 orders, a 2.3% conversion rate, and $2.99 in revenue. However, that doesn't include like the fees and stuff that gets taken out, maybe taxes too. I forget all the different deductions, but I think I still get around a $2 profit or somewhere around there, since it is a digital download, so there's no shipping or anything like that, and it kind of just runs itself. Like when I get an order, they automatically have the product available to download, so I don't really have to do anything, which is really nice. So I got the 1 order on September 7th, and then that was my only order for the whole month. And then I did get a visit almost every day. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, actually 11 days without visits. So a little more than half the month did have visits, which I feel like is pretty good overall for at least my shop here that I have. But this video is not going to be very long. I just wanted to give a quick update on my Etsy income report. So I'd love to know how your Etsy shop is going. If you have any tips or tricks or any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. Just please remember to be kind to everyone. So thank you so much for watching and listening.